Lucban is my dad's hometown, and we've been going back and forth since I was a baby. There are so many things to experience at Lucban. The Pahiyas Festival has definitely evolved in the past few decades, with decorations by townsfolk getting better every year. Lucban is also known to export many handicraft products like hats, bags, and baskets. Of course, there is the Lucban Church. Kamay ni Jesus is a place where miracles happen. Lucban is also famous for its food, longganisang Lucban and the yummy kakanins, and of course, you shouldn't miss eating pancit habhab while you are there. And there are many things that I have yet to explore in Lucban, like the palaisdaan and batis. Hopefully, I'd be able to do that in a future Lakwacha.